welcome back to my channel World of Illustration. Today in this tutorial we will learn about how to make blend flower in Adobe Illustrator, and here we go. First of all, go to ellipse tool, create a circle with a specific measurement. Here you can see this. .88 by 88 pixels. Okay. Now here you can see the circle, align it to the center of the artboard. Now go to star tool, create a star with a specific measurement. Now here you can see the star, align it to the artboard. Close the fill, then create a second star shape. Again enter its specific measurements. Radius 1 will be 187. Now radius 2 will be 124 and points will be 12. Okay. Again align it to the artboard. Select all the anchor points of the upper star with direct selection tool. Select all the anchor points like this. Convert all the anchor points to the smooth curve. Now we will manually adjust the outer star bottom curves like this. After that we will repeat this step. Select all the anchor points of the inner star with direct selection tool like this. Convert the anchor points to smooth curve. Select all the shapes and change stroke weight. Then select the outer star and add gradient to the stroke. For gradient panel, go to Windows, and here you can see gradient. Now add gradient colors which you want. Select inner star and add gradient. Again repeat the same steps. Select inner circle and add gradient with some adjustments. Again select all the shapes, go to object, blend options. Specified steps will be 600. Okay. Again go to object, blend and make. Go to effects, distort and transform, pucker and bloat. It will be 80%. Okay. Go to effects, distort and transform, zigzag and adjust it. Now here you can see the flower. Again make a circle with ellipse tool. Go and fill it with radial gradient and adjust it. here you can see your blend flower with a beautiful shape. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my videos, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,